Now, quickly looking at what all is on the agenda. We have been discussing that, of course, but yes, defense seems to be at the top of the agenda alongside trade when we talk of the bilateral meeting that will take place between Narendra Modi and Vladimir Putin. With discussions expected on the S-500 deal, advanced systems like the Su-57 jets and the R-37 missiles. This, in fact, remember, follows the S-400 Shield's critical role during Operation Sindoor, a test that we've just witnessed, very successful one for India in the recent past. Beyond defense, energy and trade ties will also be on the table. Global watchers from Washington to Beijing all of them are closely monitoring this high-stakes Modi-Putin meet, as it could be redefining India-Russia defense and strategic partnership, bringing in a new episode and a new chapter within that strategic partnership. Take a look at this very report.
इस वर्ष दिसंबर में हमारी 23वीं समिट के लिए 140 करोड़ भारतीय उत्सुकतापूर्वक आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
All eyes are on Russian President Vladimir Putin, India's all-weather friend, who is just hours away from his two-day visit to India on December 4th and 5th. This meet comes 3 months after Modi and Putin held bilateral on the sidelines of SCO in China's Tianjin.
इस वर्ष दिसंबर में हमारी 23वीं समिट के लिए 140 करोड़ भारतीय उत्सुकतापूर्वक आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
У нас такие отношения, что я считал, что вы и так все понимаете.
हमारे इतने रिश्ते हैं कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आपको कोई अनुवाद नहीं चाहिए.
Lingering US trade tensions and Russia's war with Ukraine have delayed deals like the Indo-US Pact. But Putin's visit can be a game changer. Over 2 days, the leaders will discuss a wide-ranging agenda: defense, nuclear energy, oil, technology and trade. Defense remains a major pillar. High-end systems like the S-500 air defense platform are expected on the table, reinforcing Russia's role as India's primary partner in missile defense architecture. Even as India diversifies its defense suppliers, Russia's S-400 systems proved vital during Operation Sindoor, spectacularly neutralizing Pakistan's China and Turkey-made missiles. Bilateral trade hit a record $68.7 billion in last financial year, with India exporting machinery, textiles, chemicals and more, while imports from Russia remain dominated by crude oil, fertilizers, metals and machinery. From missile defense to energy security and billions in trade, Modi's dost Vladimir Putin's India visit is more than ceremonial. It is strategic. All eyes in global strategic sphere, especially in Trump's America, is fixated on this trip. With Shivani Sharma and Sandeep Unithan, Bureau Report, India Today.